I'm Seth Grinnell from Grinnell's Driving School, and I want to address how do we properly negotiate corners and bends. Now you can see behind me right here that there are some road signs that suggest to us that there's a bend upcoming. The yellow background there is a caution or a warning, and we can see that the arrow is bent to the left, which means that there is a left bend coming up. We are approaching a left bend. Now, believe it or not, that is an indicator that we should adjust our speed, slow down. Now, we all know that there are some persons who don't even see these road signs, or if they see them, ignore them, or don't even understand what they mean. Now, when it comes to a bend, we know that our vehicle wants to tend to go and continue in a straight line. That's why it's important for us to slow down so that we can control our vehicle going around the corner or bend. On this road here, it's very famous for a wall that has stopped many of vehicles from continuing any further. Because once we're driving too fast, it is almost impossible to negotiate the bend. There's also a road sign to the left that actually has a posted speed limit for you to negotiate this corner. Once we don't negotiate our corners properly, then the likelihood of a crash or collision is very probable. Once we are maimed, injured, harmed, then of course our health system is going to be burdened. It places a negative impact on our healthcare system, and it's something that we can avoid by ensuring that we adhere to the road signs and keep ourselves out of the hospitals.